What is going on, guys? We are going to make this a quick one like normal. So with that being said, I'm not going to go over any of the plays that we have already went through. There was a lot of winners from yesterday's watch list. If you guys missed it, if you guys didn't get into any of them, there was a bunch of winners. With that being said, that's in the past already. Let's go ahead and move into tomorrow's watch list. So with that being said, hit the intro.
I've been getting dirty money.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. What is going on, guys? You guys can see I've got 4 plays already up here, ready to go for you guys. Ones that I do think are actually going to be some very, very good plays. I'm not going to go absolutely over all of them because I'm not going to release my whole watch list to you guys, but there are multiple plays coming up here in the future. Now, again, I want to read over here. So, forward puts is something that we had already talked about. NRZ puts, they hit today as well. I don't think it's too late to get into that one. I think that one's going to fall further. Right here off the bat, we got SNE, which is also known as Sony. A lot of you guys are going to know that company already. This one is in a complete downtrend. I do believe that they are going to continue to downtrend. So again, with that one, Sony, we are going to see that one continue to fall. On the other end, we got DRIP, D-R-I-P. I think we're going to have this one. We have a strong uptrend here. No, we are not going off of just uptrends, guys. If I get one more DM asking me if I'm just going off uptrends, no, not at all. That does not give me a set entry. If you guys want to know my strategy and how we find these, exactly how to know when to enter and stuff like that, you guys have to DM me. But DRIP is actually, I believe it is going to continue to uptrend and go up. PFE, I actually said the other day PFE on, I think it was last week's watch list, that more than likely it was going to fall. It did. I do see that PFE is more than likely here going to move a little bit differently. I do think it's going to keep falling, but I believe I called calls on it last week, if I'm not mistaken, or the week before. So my opinion on it has changed. I think we're going to see some puts on it. It won't surprise me if it gets up around here into 37.60s, right in there, 36.70 maybe. I don't think it's going to hit the $38 range again. I think it's going to fall back down before then for sure. Again, nothing's 100% for sure. You guys all have to remember that. Intel, though, is one that, again, it's a computer maker, chip maker, all of that stuff, again. But here we are. It is uptrending. It had this huge, giant drop. I think we're going to see it try to fill some of this. I don't think it's going to fill all of this up in here, though, but I do think we are going to see it start running. Don't be surprised that, after this giant green day, if we see a pullback on it. So just some of the other plays I want to run through, what I am calling right now ahead of time. So F puts, NRZ puts, SNE puts, DRIP calls, Intel, which is INTC, calls, PFE puts. We just went over those. KHC, which is, I can't even remember that company, what it's called. I think it's Heinz, if I'm not Heinz. KHC here. You guys can see that chart for you guys. I do believe this one's going to continue to fall. It did just hit highs. I know we had a high today, guys, but still, there was stuff still falling in it. It fit the strategy, guys. UVXY, I do believe, is going to keep running up. IQ as well. Those are both going to be calls. Again, I'm not just buying the calls. I'm going to buy the actual stock on these. I just have them listed as calls in here because I trade options during the day. DBX calls as well. And then when it comes down to the 2 bank plays that I have, which are Bank of America still and JP Morgan, I do believe that those are still going to continue to go up. It is not giving my entry from my strategy, so I am still sitting on my hands with those guys. I can't wait to play those as well, just like anything else. But again, it's all about the entry and making sure you guys know where you're at. So with that being said, guys, that is today's watch list. Again, I wanted to keep it super short, super sweet. With that being said, guys, let's all make some money.